Hi guys, welcome back to Chillipot kitchen. My name is Darshini. Today I'm going to show you how to make a sweet pongal in an instant pot. Sweet pongal is a delicious South Indian sweet known as Sarkarai Pongal. It made with rice, moong dal, ghee is nothing but clarified butter, jaggery for sweetness, cardamom and nuts. It's a traditional dish. Usually we'll make it on special occasions. This is my mom's recipe. She used to make in a traditional way in a pot or sometimes in a traditional pressure cooker. I have been making the sweet pongal recipe in the instant pot for almost 3 years now. This pongal is my son's favorite, so I make it once in a month. Every time it comes out so perfect texture and delicious. It's easy to make in the instant pot and less time. In this video, I'm going to share some tips and tricks with you guys for how to make perfect pongal. Looking for more instant pot recipes, air fryer and blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for tasty and easy video recipes. It takes only 10 to 15 minutes of time. Let's check on the ingredients. Take a screenshot of ingredients or check the video description box later for an ingredient list. Turn on the instant pot, press saute mode, let the pot heat up for a couple of minutes. I'm going to use homemade ghee. Check the description box for how to make homemade ghee in instant pot. After a couple of minutes, add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Let it heat up for a minute. If you are a vegan, you can use any cooking oil, but it tastes different though. After a minute, add cashews, almonds and coconut pieces. Adding almonds and coconut is optional. I like the crunchiness when I eat and I love the flavor of coconut. Once the nuts starts turning brown, add raisins. Once the raisins are like this, take out the nuts and raisins and keep it aside for later use. In the same pot, roast the moong dal for a few minutes till it releases nice aromatic flavor. Don't brown it. You can use the paper clip to hold the pot and inner liner in the same position. Wash the rice before adding. Give a quick mix. You can use any type of white rice. I used Ponni raw rice. You can also use foxtail millet instead of rice. Now add a salt. Adding a pinch of salt to the sweets will enhance the taste. Pongal needs to be mushy and soft, so add 4 cups of water and 1 cup of milk. Adding milk gives you the nice richness to the pongal. You can replace the milk with water also. I used 2% milk only. Give it a quick stir. Close the lid and make sure that the vent is in the sealing position. Cancel the saute mode, select manual or pressure cook and set a timer for 5 minutes in high pressure. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. I post new videos every Tuesday, Friday and Sunday. Now let's make a jaggery water. Jaggery is an unrefined sugar. I'm using the whole jaggery, so going to make a jaggery water. If you use powdered jaggery or brown sugar or regular sugar, just add it directly to the cooked rice and dal. To make jaggery water, break the jaggeries into pieces. In a small pot, add jaggery pieces and half cup of water and let it melt. You don't need to boil it, just make sure that the jaggery is completely melted. Once the pressure cook is done, do natural pressure release. Now the jaggery water is ready. Stain the jaggery water using the strainer. There might be some particles. You will find jaggery in Amazon or in Indian stores. Once the pressure is done, open the lid carefully. Wow, look at the rice and dal. It cooked so perfect. Mash the rice and dal completely. Now add jaggery water. If you are using a powdered jaggery or brown sugar or white sugar, this time you can add it directly and give a nice stir. Mix it thoroughly. The color might vary depends on the color of the sweetness we add. Add cardamom powder. Give a quick mix. Adding cardamom powder will give a nice flavor to the pongal. Add ghee as per your preference. I am adding 4 tablespoons of ghee. Mix it thoroughly. Now add fried raisins and nuts. Give a quick mix. Wow, look at the delicious sweet pongal or Sarkarai Pongal in the instant pot is ready. Enjoy it hot. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try the recipe at your home and give me your feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and see you guys in the next video. Bye.